The origins of the castle of Embid de Ariza appear to date back to the Islamic period. Its location on a rocky escarpment overlooking the valley of the Algadia River gave it significant strategic value. Embid was integrated into the Fuero of Calatayud in 1131. The castle's importance is highlighted in an agreement dated September 26, 1200, in which Sancha of Castile returned the castles and towns of Ariza, Epila, and Embid to the crown in exchange for rents and properties near the mouth of the Ebro River. In 1278, during the reign of Peter III of Aragon, orders were given to reinforce several strongholds, including Embid. This likely led to the expansion of its enclosure and the strengthening of the fortress. The preserved remains reveal at least two construction phases. First, the lower phase, built with masonry bonded with mortar, and the upper phase, constructed with solid brick on lime mortar to increase height and improve visual surveillance of the surrounding area. The castle's military activity reached its peak in the 14th century during the War of the Two Peters. Following the conflict, in 1381, Peter IV of Aragon sold the town of Ariza and its villages, including Embid, to Guillaume de Palafox. Consequently, the castle was integrated into a feudal lordship, transitioning from a direct dependency of the crown to part of a manorial domain, where its military function gradually declined in favor of jurisdictional and territorial control.